Okay, so that giant part of a tree did not come from any tree sitting here. It came all the way from over there. That took a lot of wind. I mean, this isn't exactly small. I mean, that's a big branch, and there's just these drag marks in the ground. Here, over there. And I'm assuming it came from here. You can't see where I'm pointing. Here. Somewhere over there. Or up there. But yeah. It must have hit somewhere over there, and, well, there's drag marks all the way over that way. It's in my hand. Oh. Yeah. Wind did that. Wind is scary. Yeah. I'm kind of surprised this didn't come down. Hey, a basketball. Oh, cool. And, well, those came down. Those are just flattened. Burn barrels knocked them out. Branch scratched my ankle. Yeah, the wind just picked this up and carried it like a kite. As well as much of that stuff. This is going to take days to clean up. I don't think I'll be enjoying this. This is quite unpleasant to do. That's probably several tons of broken branches and trees. Let's walk this way. I gotta put my hood back up. It keeps getting knocked over from the wind. I should probably be more careful with my phone. It's gonna get all soaked. Yeah, this road's closed. Hello. And, yeah. That was some insane wind.
Huh?
That was some insane wind.
Yeah, it was.
They said 50-mile-an-hour gusts. That was sustained winds. It was crazy. Yeah. I ain't going that way. Yeah. Well, we got a few trees down over there, too. I mean, probably a few dozen.
Yep. Hopefully this is it. Storm might get worse.
Yeah. I'm kind of surprised the power's not out. Although I suppose if the lines aren't
I
broken.
haven't been home to check. I've been at call after call after call.
Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna go around. And I guess I'll make a part 3, I suppose. Or maybe edit the second part onto this. Where I'll go around to the other side and... Because I'm not about to go walking under that precariously tilting telephone pole. Because, I mean, it's unlikely, but what if there was another gust, nothing came over, and I died? Because it's just... that would suck. So, yeah. If you couldn't hear what that guy said, a tree hit Ginsburg, which is like this big food warehouse place thing. I don't know what it is, but they have food, and it's a big place. Yeah. It's like a mall, but for food. And it is awesome. And now it's been hit by a tree. So yeah, lots of storm damage. I'm pretty much entirely soaked, because it's still raining. And, why am I still talking? You've already seen all of this if you've watched the rest of the video and part 1, which I'll probably have to upload separately because it's 10 minutes. And this is 5 minutes, so yeah. Alrighty. I mean, I didn't notice that before. This wall is plastered with leaves. And this door is dented in. I assume from wind. And also, my dad's car is plastered with leaves and probably scratched with sticks and branches. Or maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. Onward. Those are a lot of trucks. You know, I think there's not really much point in going down there, but yeah, screw it. It's raining heavy now, so I'm gonna go back inside. There's not really much to see over there anyway. Just flashing lights and fire trucks, cops, that sort of stuff. So, anyway, that concludes the video. That was crazy. It didn't stop. Yeah.